We boarded the Carnival Pride in Dover on July 9th for 33 days of cruising through Europe.
We're Rich and Robin.
And these are our midlife adventures.
Living in and out of our midlife van.
During our first sea day, we started to explore the ship, and during our 33 days of cruising, wanted to share all the different areas we explored on the ship. Deck 1 on the Carnival Pride is mostly cabins. What is the butterfly?
I don't see anything butterfly.
I see lots of butterflies. A little lounge.
But what lounge is this?
The butterfly lounge. But in the very front is the Butterflies Lounge, home of the Punchliner Comedy Club. There is a spiral staircase up to the main floor of the Taj Mahal Lounge above on Deck 2. Deck 1 is also where you'll exit the ship when taking a water shuttle to a tender port. On Deck 2, in the front of the ship, is the main floor of the Taj Mahal Theater. Deck 3 has another floor of the Taj Mahal Theater in the front, surrounded on each side by the Sunset Garden, which also leads to the front stairs to go upstairs to the Ocean Club. Walking towards mid-deck, you pass the Carnival Adventure Store, where outside there is also a kiosk and an ATM machine. On the kiosk, you can check your balance of your sign and sale card or add gift cards or cash to your sign and sale account. There's also the Piazza Cafe. $4. This one's $6. How much is this one? The donut's $4. The Red Frog Pub. Heroes Bar. And even a library with some books and games to check out. You gonna check out a book, Rich? And they have games also.
Yeah, I'm gonna check this one.
You gonna check it out?
Check it out.
The seating area across from the Red Frog Pub is where they do a lot of trivia games, which is also right outside the casino. Continuing on past the casino is the Bonsai Sushi restaurant before reaching the Atrium, which has guest services, the Carnival Adventure Store, and the Atrium Bar. Deck 2 also had the Captain's Club, the Alchemy Bar, and Beauty's Nightclub. Oh, the nightclub is so quiet in the mornings. Yep. At the back of Deck 2 is the main floor of the Normandy restaurant, which is the two-store main dining room. So, Rich, where is everybody?
We are the only ones in the restaurant this morning.
What time is it?
7:30.
7:30. It's still a little early. We are gonna have a quick breakfast here in the dining room. What'd you get this morning?
I got the breakfast bowl. It has some feta cheese, tomatoes, scrambled eggs, and bacon. What'd you get, Robin?
Omelet and hash brown.
What kind of omelet?
Bacon and chocolate.
You think so?
What's this brown stuff?
Chocolate milk. Ooh. What's this? And a parfait.
One of our favorite spots to walk outside the ship was the promenade area around Deck. It's nice out here tonight. Let's see how far we can go along Deck 3. And finally, the upper floor to the Normandy restaurant. We ate most of our dinners in the main dining room. We also went to the main dining room on some of the sea days for the sea day brunch. And most mornings before we left for port, we went into the main dining room for their breakfast, which was pretty fast and easy. In the front of Deck 3. Now we're lost in the secret garden, Rich.
This goes on forever, and it's like... and there's a couple kids areas. I'll see it.
I'm in the Amalfi Coast.
Yeah. Well, if you want to relax, I guess.
In the Taj Mahal Theater, they had the production shows. They would occasionally have extra comedy shows, Deal or No Deal, bingo, and occasionally an individual headliner. You want to go perform?
I will.
3 stories. So the
Is this where
the bottom floor has like little cocktail tables and the seating.
Oh, yeah.
And then the rest is like theater seating. So you have your choice of 3 floors to
And this
see
is for all the headliner shows and stuff?
For the production shows.
Production shows.
Yeah. Another comedy show.
Yeah.
I have lost count on how many comedy shows we have seen.
They've been doing pretty good about getting some good comedians in. So.
Yeah, they have usually 2 comedians every few days, but with our little hiccup here, we've just gotten 1 new one in. She was pretty good.
Yeah, she's pretty good. And Kelly and Manny are still here.
So we're gonna go see Kelly, who we've seen a few times, and see if he's got a new map shirt on.
Right. It would be what, the 5th one?
Something like that. On the other side of the entrance to the theater, passing the elevators, is the Warehouse Arcade. The Ivory Piano Bar. And some more seating along the starboard side. Moving midship is the cherry on top and fun shops. The photo gallery goes around the opening down to the Atrium Lobby. Leading into the Raphael Lounge and the conference room where they hold the art shows. When the buffet area tables were full, we would bring our food down to the Raphael Lounge.
Robin found a very nice, quiet place to eat instead of being the hustle bustle.
And finally, the upper floor to the Normandy restaurant. On deck 4 in the front, you have the Cove, Circle C, top floor of the Taj Mahal Theater. The rest of deck 4 is staterooms. What do you think this is?
Astra. Oh, cup holders. I didn't even notice that. And they're all.
It only took 25 days for me to find these.
How do you know that? What the hell is
I
this?
said, what the heck is this? And I lifted it up. And then I proceeded to knock it one all the way off onto the ground. I broke one.
Can't take you.
And my water bottle doesn't fit in there.
Can't take you anywhere.
Deck 5 has Camp Ocean and more cabins. And decks 6 through 8. Rich, where are we at on the boat?
We are in the laundrette. So we're in the laundry room, which this is the 3rd time? Watch your step.
There's a step there, Rich. Okay, it looks like the washer is done.
Yes.
And we can put it up here in the dryer. The Carnival Pride had 5 different laundry rooms. Most laundry rooms had 1 washer and 2 dryers, though the laundry on deck 1 had 2 washing machines. Each load was $3 to wash and $3 to dry, and they also had laundry soap available for purchase, all with your sign and sale card. We will have already walked 2 miles before we find the gym. Where is the gym? Where is the gym?
Well, we know where it's at.
We can look through the windows and they have nice equipment, but we don't know how to get in there. Deck 9 is the Lido Deck. In the front is the fitness center, the beauty salon, and the spa. The odd part about the fitness center is you need to pass through the spa to enter it. We loved having the free sauna and steam room available in the locker rooms of the fitness center. There are 2 swimming pools midship, separated by the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar and the Red Frog Rum Bar. The front pool is open air with no sliding roof and also has a smoking section starboard side. The main midship pool has a retractable roof. So Rich, this roof is retractable.
It is. It moves, huh?
Yeah.
I don't think it moves a lot.
It has not moved this cruise.
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure how it moves, but supposedly it moves. I see the chain. It must go underneath the...
But it doesn't go under much. So I think it just exposes more back here.
Yeah, right now it's only open
A little bit. But I don't think it can completely close. Or can it? It looks like there's a seal there, huh?
Yeah.
So maybe this is the open position.
You think that's as far as it opens?
Yeah. And then it comes all the way up to here, yeah, to seal. Yeah. It's kind of cool.
Yeah. On the other side of the pool is Guy's Burger and the Blue Iguana. The Blue Iguana makes fresh tortillas daily. Oh, it was all puffy. It was all puffy now, it's deflating.
Look at that, a
Fresh tortilla. Hot. Very good.
I think all that was...
What do you got there, Rich? You got a fish taco? Are we in Baja?
Not as good as Bob's.
Not as good as Baja. I'm eating the chicken one right now and it's kind of spicy.
Robin, what is your favorite dessert?
I
On
really
board.
like the chocolate melting cake.
Yeah.
But the all you can eat soft serve and frozen yogurt is pretty good too.
And it's convenient.
There are a few drink stations around the Lido Deck and a couple locations with soft serve ice cream. Lots of water, gotta hydrate.
Lemonade, iced tea, water.
The main buffet area is called the Mermaid's Grill Lido Restaurant. They had chopsticks, chef choice, the buffet, the deli. And in the back, they had salad bar, pizza, and a dessert bar. And this area is called the Lido Cafe. In the very back of the ship, in the Lido Deck, is the adult-only Serenity area for those 21 and older. There is a pool, a spa, and a bar. There's lounge chairs and clamshells, and seating around with some relaxing sofas, and also dining tables and chairs. $10.16 on a sea day. And I found one clamshell left. A little overcast, a little blue sky, a little sun. I think it's gonna maybe be really worse weather this afternoon, so I'm just gonna relax down here a little bit and then we'll see how the day goes. The back of deck 10 above is where one of the water slide ends and it overlooks the Serenity Deck.
3.5 laps.
So this is the walking deck.
1 mile is 3.5 laps.
Or I guess the jogging deck. 3.5. And Fahrenheit 555. Under the red glass whale tail. Deck 11 in the front had mini golf, basketball, a jogging track, and in the back of the boat on Deck 11 was the Carnival Waterworks and a couple of water slides. Join us next time as we stop on our first port of our 33-day cruise, Copenhagen, Denmark.